This next question is from JMO Johnson 7762. Would you recommend full extract cannabis oil or FECO for depression? I've tried all the meds. None of them seem to work. Please help.
Okay, awesome. Now remember that we don't guarantee success or anything like that, but there is no success really for depression with the general allopathic methods, like the American Medical Association, Big Pharma, etc. They oftentimes make matters worse. So over here at Movida, MyFitLife, that is one of the things that we have the greatest success with. Uh, um, it is depression, anxiety, stress, depression. It's amazing that the success that can be had and how quickly it can be had as well. For some people, it's almost instant, like the first day that they take it, and other people it takes a couple weeks or so. But it's really amazing. And if they were on meds, they're able to come off of them. But like this person mentions, that the meds just simply do not work. And it is amazing for depression. Just real quick, like depression is sort of like an imbalance in your body, and the cannabinoids are responsible for homeostasis, which is balance in your body. So that balances out the different systems in your body, balances you out hormonally, so basically chemically. And they say this is a chemical imbalance, depression. So you're at one extreme, and you just get balanced out. So the condition, which in this case is the depression, it magically just disappears, and you feel like a human being again, and you're able to get out there and participate in life. It's super awesome.
Love it. Thank you, Al.